everyone, my name is Pooja and I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna share with you one product which I am using nowadays to prevent my acne and pimples. Yes, I am literally very irritated with my skin problems every single day. It's just increasing and increasing, and I literally don't know what to do with my skin. Like was an acne, I can't even use a makeup at all, but still I am trying to just get right with these pimples, like small pimples and acne. Like you can see, कुछ लोगों को लगता होगा कि it's okay to having a pimples or acne, but it is not okay to having a painful pimples or acne on your skin, definitely on your face. Like, and also it gives you a spots, a very dark spots, which is not going to go for a long time. It is very important to choose a right face wash for your skin and as related to your skin type. I literally don't know about so much about face wash, but I had saw one YouTube video. Yes, I am not intelligent, like I am not a skin expert at all. I am not a doctor of skin. I'm not a skin doctor. So I used to see so many videos of doctors recommending videos where they are just telling you what is good for your skin and what is not. So yes, on one YouTube video I just saw that they are telling you how can you choose a right face wash by your skin type. So on that video I just saw that if you having a dry or normal skin na, so you should use only a cream based face wash, and if you having a oily or combinated skin just like me, so you should definitely have to use gel based form. So yes, so right now I had chose a very good face wash for my skin, which is very helping me a lot, and I'm literally using from last week, and I got it from Myntra, and this is Kaya Acne Free Purifying Cleanser with salicylic acid for oily and combinated skin. This is recommended by dermatologist. Having a pimples, a painful pimples or acne on your face, and you literally don't know how to just clean your face without hurting them and without making them red, because I got a red pimples or acne too whenever I'm using any kind of like face wash. Like not this, I got so pain on my pimples and acne, and I literally don't know how to just stop that pain at all. So I had saw this Kaya face wash, and this is so good, and I wanted to just try first, so I just got a very small pack of face wash which is 50 ml, and this is at rupees 150. I know it is very hard to choose a right face wash, but trust me, this is so good in my skin, because uh, my skin is oily and combinated skin too, and yes, somewhere somehow it is helping me to prevent my acne and pimples. So if you wanted to buy this now, I will share the link on my description box below, so you can check it and just buy it. So first I'm gonna wash my face by a cold water. Take little bit face wash, and it is okay if it is not bringing you the foam. Like every face wash have a white foam na, but this never gives you. That's mean that is very good. And now I'm just applying on my face. So now you can see I just washed my face, and yeah, definitely with by using a 1 or 2 times any face wash or something, you will definitely not going to see the best result. But I will recommend you, if you're having a pimples or acne, or if you're having a just oily or combinated skin, you should just try to choose a right one. By the way, so many people just don't even use a cream like any moisturizer on their face because they having a pimples or acne, or maybe like oily skin. So you definitely don't have to just ignore um, that any moisturizer, you should use a good moisturizer for your face, because a moisturizer is very very important for your skin to just build up a new cells of your skin, which is very important. So that's all for today's video. I hope guys this video will help you, and I am just making sure that I'm gonna make everyday videos, but I don't get a content, so I'm just trying to get hard and hard to do YouTube, but I literally need your support. So I wanted to make some vlogs for you guys. So very very attached with YouTube and Instagram and so many apps, because I can't live without it, because my background is just related with that, because I used to do modeling and acting, and right now I'm in my home and doing nothing. So that is so bad, because nowadays so many people are just sitting their home and just get very distracted, and also some of the people have not to do anything. So just take your phone and do whatever you want to do, man, because right nowadays YouTube and any social apps is very very active nowadays, and I can, so yes, I just want you to guys do as much as you can. Just get up with your bed and do something which is very needed for you, because you cannot be because nowadays I can see so many people are feeling so depressive, and also some people's having the problem and like anxiety, and this is literally, I can understand the problem. And so many people didn't understand these things, because they literally think that this is just a bad feeling, but that's all. But I can understand this is a very very big problem for nowadays youngers, and for every single person who are just stopped by this disaster which is nowadays very active, like COVID. And yeah, I literally wanted to do for myself, and I'm just making this video for myself, and just for myself. Yes, just for myself. I'm not a selfish at all, but if I am just going to entertain you, and if I am giving you any information and any ideas, so that will be good for you also. And I would definitely love that if I am just trying to help someone, and that person really feeling good with that, so very very good. So that's all for today's video. I hope guys tomorrow I will make a new video with my a big smile, because now I know that I'm not looking happy at all, but yes, I am happy, because I know that today I just got a content, because right now it is 15 minutes something I made a video, and I literally don't even, I had made so many videos, and every single day I just feel that no, this is not cool, this is not cool, there's a mistake. Now I just think that whatever you are making now, if you feel that is good, you should share with your YouTube people, because you literally don't know what are the things they are going to like it, and what are the things they don't like it. But that's okay, you have to try it, because ट्राई करने में पैसे नहीं लगते, और यूट्यूब की वीडियो शेयर करने में कुछ MB और डेटा लगता है, एंड दैट्स ऑल. यू जस्ट मे बी यू जस्ट गेट क्रैक somewhere someday. I know that मैं बहुत फालतू बातें करती हूँ, but that's okay. मे बी धीरे धीरे करके I will be very fluent in some of the things, कि मुझे क्या बोलना है क्या नहीं बोलना है. So okay, whatever it is, thank you so much for watching my video guys, and love you, and I hope guys you are safe at home. Thank you guys, bye bye, I love you.